Alright, welcome back. This is my second winter weather update on the blizzard of 2016. It is 9:15 p.m. on Friday. A few more inches of snow have fallen. We're going to go out and take a look and see how the road conditions have changed. Alright, we're coming up outside the neighborhood here. Definitely a lot more snow that has accumulated sort of in the intersection areas. And it's definitely a little more slippery here. Sliding to a stop. A little bit of spin, not much. And it looks like the secondary roads haven't been plowed in probably 45 minutes to an hour. This is normally a 2-lane road. It has been reduced basically to 1 lane. The right side of it, there's a good 2 inches of snow on the ground, and to the left side as well. Down the middle looks like it has been plowed recently. While I have no one in front of me or behind me, I'm going to go ahead and do a brake check here from 30 miles an hour, which is still 10 miles an hour below the posted speed limit. And here we go. Ready and full on brake. 25, 20, 15, 10, and full stop. So you can see the distance and the time that it took. That was full force applied on the brakes, ABS engaged, and it took quite a bit of distance to stop. And that is because of the snow underneath the tires. Obviously just regular all-terrain tires, no snow tires down here. Wind is starting to pick up a little bit, and with more moisture in the air, the snow does hurt as it hits the face. Definitely noticed that clearing the vehicle off. Otherwise, the conditions really haven't changed. Temperature's still in the low 20s. The road's now pretty much completely deserted, with the exception of some pickups with plows. When I was out here at 4 p.m., the conditions were such that a front-wheel drive or even some rear-wheel drive cars could make it going slowly. That is no longer the condition now. Intersections, there's a lot of snow piled up, and you really need all 4 wheels to provide traction through those plow drifts.
Go to ihcares.com or call 1-855-425-8721 today. Health insurance plans are offered or underwritten by Innovation Health Insurance Company and Innovation Health Plan, Inc. Sports at 15.
Alright, so this is Route 7, which surprisingly looks a lot like my neighborhood road. It has not been plowed in a little while, and it is definitely slippery. Alright, well that concludes update number 2. Not a lot to see really with the darkness and no traffic, but road conditions are worse, and I expect them to be much worse tomorrow morning when we go back out there for update number 3. So we'll see you then. This is WeatherBen.